it was a comfortable space for me to be in. Alright. So it's gonna be kind of hard to deny that it's and say that it's a refrigerator. Now, woman, I don't use it. Ain't nothing in there that's worth anything. So now they ain't got the refrigerator to use because it's unplugged. So that means it should be absolutely quiet in my home. There should be no sounds of, as they called it, imaginary footsteps above me. No clicking machines below me. Because the refrigerator isn't active. I keep moving because wherever I sit, they zap me. They zap my legs. That's why I unplugged the refrigerator. I want people to see that I'm not lying. I do. And if that's the only way to show them that I'm not lying, then that's what I'll do. Because notice, when the refrigerator was plugged in, and I was over by the sink with this, you heard two different sounds. Just like you just heard a sound underneath the bucket just now. I want people to begin to hear the series of clicks and stuff that happens. I'm not cleaning up anything. I already know that I don't have my Section 8 anymore. I'm not stupid. People are trying to string me along until the end of the month. And then tell me, I'm sorry. Yeah, if you had been out, see what happened was Section 8, blah, 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 blah. Because that's what's going to come down the pike. So, yeah. Notice how that keeps falling over, right? And that keeps rising. That falling over, that rising, that picking up different things. So when I tell you they literally attack me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all day, them and their family and their friends, they do. I haven't even been home 2 hours. Haven't been home 2 hours. This is what I gotta go through. Unfortunately. Just trying to prove the point that before somebody look down their nose at me and call me notice he had to be directly above me. I wanted you to notice that. That's why I unplugged the refrigerator. So, between the sound of my voice, my footsteps, the way I walk, yeah, these are grown men. Supposed to be. Because you hear the quiet rustling underneath me, right? That's in every room I go in. Not just the living room. Every room. Literally every room I go in. They having their friends ride by to give them street coverage noise. But that can only last for so long. Street coverage noise. And when they know they got the right of way with whatever police officers that's working, they go all out on their attack on me. And this is every day. All I did was come home. I came home, my floor got bubbled. I started being shocked. I tried changing things around in my unit, and they still go after me. I change stuff around in my unit, and they still go after me. They do everything that they can do to mess with, tamper, destroy as much of my stuff as they possibly can. No main reason. Just because they can. That's why. Because they can get away with it. And there's nothing that I can do or say right now. They just keep doing stuff. So ask yourself this question. If you were them and you had a mother, a sister, a daughter, and somebody was doing that to them, how would that make you feel? My family don't give a shit. I'm telling you now. It's good that I found out early. So yeah, it's a good thing I found out early. So, let me do this. Hold on. So I might as well talk about something on a happy note. I got a lot of good inspirational ideas yesterday while I was out and about. Notice what they're doing, right? That's why I made sure I had an extra card. I kind of figured this was going to happen. So can you imagine if I had to be here for the whole entire day, what I go through? Yeah. So, because I know I'm tired and I need to lay down, I'm gonna leave this up right here because it'll give you and you can see and hear everything from this area right here with what's going on. So I'm gonna leave it right there because if it's right there, it'll catch the sound and what's going on in my room, between my room and the living room. It was important that I did that because they're not gonna stop. No matter what I do, they're not gonna stop. They're gonna keep going because they are horrible people. They're horrible, miserable people, and this is the stuff they do to people to justify their behavior. They're trying to justify this hot mess. They're trying to call themselves justifying it. So. So Max is upstairs. Renee, I don't know if Max is upstairs or not, but I know I heard Dean's voice and Renee's voice. I know those are the two voices that I heard in the guy downstairs. So they're floating around from area to area. They position themselves already so that whatever room I end up going into, they can bubble the floor and zap me. You see how long I've been home. And the sad part is I started recording before I walked through the door. Because this is every day. Literally every day. No reason. None. None. It's not like I came in the house and said anything. I didn't say a word. I want people to notice that. I come home a lot of times, I don't even say anything. I'll just walk into my house, and after I walk in my home, I start becoming attacked by these men, these Latino men, and these white men who have figured out how to engineer and power up some kind of a device that allows them to shock my legs and cause them to stiffen up. I want people to understand this. If you notice, when I was away, coming back after I was home, I didn't have this on. That's what I was talking about. So now they're friends that's wayside down the street, trying to help them gain some kinetic energy because I turned my shit off. I don't care if everything in that refrigerator spoils to hell. And 2 trees in the refrigerator, I really don't care. So my charger is gone. I had a charger for my tablet. It's a big square thing, black and gray. Beautiful, paid a lot of money for it. It's supposed to be able to power 4 laptops. Well, 2 laptops, 2 tablets, and 3 cell phones.